Jason asked me a little while ago to give this little speech for a couple of reasons. Number one, my oldest son, Adam, wouldn't. But I am truly honored to be able to talk to you a little bit about Jason and our experience with Kaitlyn. So, back many years ago on the first weekend of their college career, my wife Kristen and I were standing in the elevator, and this girl was in the elevator with her mom, and we're sitting there, and we saw Jason look at Kaitlyn, who we didn't know who Kaitlyn was, just this girl in the elevator. And we got talking a little bit, and we found out that this girl, Kaitlyn, was going to be going to Western Carolina as well, and they were going to do cat camp or whatever. And Kristen turned to me after we got out of the elevator, and she's like, you know what? They're going to get together. And I was like, yeah, whatever, you know, this is college, so we'll see. Fast forwarded to maybe a year later, I was down in Cullowhee, and Jason and I went to dinner at some restaurant, and Kaitlyn was like running around or something in the restaurant, and I was like, she looks familiar, but who is she? And he's like, some girl, you know. But the one thing about Kaitlyn is she really does calm Jason down a lot and kind of keeps him like a little more level set. He does need it.
Oh my God. Oh, you're so cute. So beautiful.
Thank you. So, Kaitlyn has been my best friend for almost 20 years. The word best does not do Kaitlyn justice. She is one of the most amazing people in the world. So when any boy so much as looked at Kaitlyn, I began evaluating them. So, unbeknownst to Jason, although I'm pretty sure he had an idea, the second I met him, I had a scorecard. Plus 10, held the door open. Plus 20, he helped Kaitlyn move. Plus 1,000, he saved me from the side of the road. Minus 10, he's colorblind. Sorry. But honestly, this man began to surpass my expectations. So, I knew Jason was a great guy, but I kind of wanted to know if he loved my best friend. I now have to do something that I truly, truly hate doing and say, I was wrong. There is a guy who is good enough for my best friend.
Your wedding day is so filled with emotion. Family, friends, definitely pictures. Food, congratulations that the day seems to fly by. I want the two of you, before we end, to take a deep breath, look into each other's eyes. Think about the happiness you're feeling right now. Don't ever forget that true love you feel at this moment, because it will get you through even the toughest times of your life. By the authority vested in me by the American Marriage Ministries, and with the trust of all of you here today, I now declare you joined in love as husband and wife.